On Friday, October 3rd, 2025, Mr. Ash Mufareh sent a personal RSVP to all founders and affiliates. This is your moment of decision. What are you gonna do about it? Will you hesitate? Will you ignore it? Or will you seize this privilege and fill out the application? By filling out this application, you show your trust and honor for this exclusive opportunity, an opportunity that will completely transform your life and legacy. Mr. Mufareh has chosen us for this chance. When you act, you put yourself in line for an extraordinary future for your family. Consider what he is offering. All we must do is follow his direction and show our respect. What he is doing for us is beyond measure, and we should not question his guidance. It is painful for those of us who are loyal to see so-called leaders telling founders not to apply. Why? Because they are acting selfishly. They are creating mass confusion for their own gain. Do you know that many of them are filling out the application themselves while telling you to wait for their links? Do not be their victim. Remember, filling out Mr. Mufareh's application is your only ticket into victory with Ash. If you don't follow his direct instructions, you will be left behind. Those telling you to wait may be building their own companies that will not take care of you. Do these people have a proven track record? Most were just followers. But you have Mr. Mufareh, a visionary with nearly 30 years of experience, personally inviting you. This application costs you nothing but a moment of your time and puts you in line for approval. If you don't fill it out, you simply will not be accepted. It's that simple. Do what is right for you and your family. Stop listening to the noise from people who are clueless about what is truly happening. The power is in your hands. There has been a lot of confusion, but the facts are clear. Mr. Mufareh has announced this application will be available for only 7 days. In just 3 days from this Friday, the window will close and the application will be removed forever. If you miss this, it is gone. How else will you build a business with no tuition, no overhead, and access to seasoned trainers, all under Mr. Mufareh's direction? This is the only way into his new company. As he said in his last webinar, we are going to completely disrupt the internet boom.
Don't get left out of this magnificent journey. Listen to Mr. Ash Mufareh and get ready to be blown away. Fill out the application now. Don't be left